Time now for a check on the weather. Nice day to be out on the water, though.
Yeah,
Cool
we
down.
saw another day of triple-digit feels-like temperatures. Let's find out from Dave Warren how much longer the extreme heat will stick around. Dave?
Yeah, another few days here at least. We're getting a little more haze coming in. That could limit these showers and storms. They are out there, but by the time they develop, they're over the interior here. So normally that would cool things off a bit. Not the case right now. This is the current heat index. 104 is many places in Miami-Dade and Pembroke Pines. 104. Oakland Park is at 103. They've come down a bit. They were into the upper between about 105 and 110. Still above 90 degrees. Hot when you step outside this evening. Heat advisory till 6 o'clock. Goes just west of the Turnpike and down around Homestead there, west of Route 1. So much of the southern Miami-Dade metro area is under this heat advisory. Showers and storms have developed. The problem was they were just west of 27, and that's where they continue to go. They may intensify there over the interior here, but right now you're hearing some thunder here. If you're in Broward County, even Miami-Dade, but these showers are moving away. We're not seeing much cool air come out of them, though. That could give you some relief. At least it might give you a little shade here as the sun sets and goes behind these towering thunderstorms there over the interior. Not seeing much shade there in Fort Lauderdale. These are the current temperatures. Even Key West is at 90 degrees. Future Weather Computer picks up these showers and storms. May not try to push back across the area. Not seeing much hint of that here. We did see that a little bit last night, but maybe we could get a stray shower that kind of works its way back, but does not appear to be the case today. There's the sea breeze tomorrow. Not many showers with it. By this time tomorrow, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock, you're seeing the heat index easily above 100 degrees. In fact, 105 to 110. And there go the storms a little farther over the interior, a little more spotty there. That's an indication of the haze that's coming in. Purple is heat index values over 100 degrees. Heat of the day, 11 o'clock, 12, 1 o'clock here. We're seeing it all across the metro areas, but mostly inland. It'll be a little cooler just along the coast. And then with those showers and storms developing, gives you some relief, but much of the area by 6 o'clock tomorrow still seeing the heat index probably near 100 degrees. There is the dust. It's now moving through the Caribbean with that very warm, dry air and a lot of wind shear, so no tropical activity here. It does continue to lift there up just a bit into parts of the Gulf, and that haze could actually work its way back into the area here by the middle of, or by late this week. So there it is, Wednesday to Thursday. The dust kind of works its way into the area. A little hazy sunshine tomorrow, and then still around here by the end of the week and into the weekend. 93 degrees, that is the temperature tomorrow. Heat index 105 to 110 on the water, 2-foot seas, moderate chop with a surf temperature 83 degrees. We'll say hazy sunshine here in the forecast Saturday and Sunday. Storms will come in to get a little cooler Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Back to you.